Hi guys, I'm 6'8", 345 pounds. I do weight training thrice per week. Are there any subs and foods I can use to recover better?
It just sounds like you're lifting weight and you're getting sore after your workouts. So that's normal in the beginning.
Yeah, completely.
Because your body's not used to that stimulus, so your muscles are breaking down, and to recover, you're going to get that soreness, that DOMS, that delayed onset muscle soreness.
But 3 times a week is really not that frequent.
But if it's for a beginner,
you have plenty of recovery time. Yeah.
But if it's for a beginner, then you're going to notice it for the first month or so. But at 3 times a week, that's going to go away because it's not that high of a frequency of workouts. But you're asking, are any subs and foods to help you recover better? Food is going to be your first source, so you got to make sure that you're getting enough protein, because protein has the BCAAs in it that's going to help you recover, repair your muscles that are sore.
And when he says protein, we're talking about things like chicken, fish, beef, eggs, like that kind of stuff.
Yep.
And protein powder if you want.
And protein powder. And if you're looking for subs, like you could do like a protein powder or branched chain amino acids sometimes can help as well.
Make sure you're drinking tons of water.
Tons of water.
That really does help with muscle recovery.
And sleep. Sleep.
A lot.
But if you're balling on a budget, if you can only afford one thing or the other, go with the food. Like just fill your cart with those protein sources.
Yeah, and if you're not sure like how to cook with those raw ingredients, we got cookbooks for you, buddy. All the foods that we recommend in like Team Live Lean, all the meals in all of our cookbooks are perfect for muscle recovery.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.